Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Miss Mia. My name is Emandrian. Would like to present the result of my analysis. Meaning and function of the idiom a bottle of goodness in the bottle sosro advertising contextual semantic study. Background of study. Definition of idiom. Expression whose meaning cannot be translated literally. Function of idiom is advertising to build a positive image, attract attention, and evoke emotion. The idiom, a bottle of goodness, represents positive values, warmth, sincerity, togetherness, and traditional. Explanation. In advertising, idioms are not just decorative language, they serve a strategic role in delivering hidden message and building an emotional bond with the audience. The bottle also used the idiom to strengthen its branding as traditional Indonesian drink connected to cultural values. Next, function of the idiom. Idiom function is the outgoing communication. They shape perception, build emotional bond, and strengthen the brand identity as more than just drink, but a piece of Indonesian culture. And the next, contextual semantic. This story shows that an idiom meaning is inseparable from its use environment. The context, situation, culture, communicative goal determines how the audience understands the idiom. Without context, the idiom loses its intended impact. And the next, research focus. Research focus analyzes the meaning and function of the idiom in the context. Objective, reveal how the idioms shape a positive product image and influence consumer reception and emotion. And explanation, the study focuses on how the idiom's meaning and format through visual and verbal elements in the ad and how this affects audience perception. The goal is to show how idiom can change how consumers feel and think about product. And the next, methodology. Method, qualitative, descriptive, literature review. Data source, primarily the bottle social and secondary linguistic and semantic literature. And explanation, this study does not use experiment statistic but analysis meaning through systematic observation and description. It focuses on connotation, culture values, and the role of context in shaping idiomatic meaning. Okay, and the next, data description. Data description example quote, a bottle of goodness to accompany your togetherness. Visual context, family dining together with the bottle social placed in the center. Symbolism, goodness, social values, positive emotion, and the last bottle, concrete, accessible, familiar. An explanation, visual and narrative work together to create the idiom meaning. The product is not just tea. It symbolizes family, warmth, the cultural togetherness. This shows how the idiom meaning depend of context and visual. Okay, next, main finding. The main finding is that the idiom strategic use in the ad effectively reinforces the product image, creating positive emotional association that go beyond its literal meaning as a bottle tea. Okay, and the last conclusion. The study concludes The idioms in advertising are powerful tools to deliver indirect, culturally meaningful message. They help shape consumer perception and create lasting emotional connection. Okay, thank you, Miss Mia. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.